5 Nature Facts about Peterborough. Fact number 1. Ferry Meadows is one of the largest country parks in the region. It covers over 1,700 acres as part of Nene Park, making it bigger than many UK city parks. Fact number 2. Peterborough is home to otters along the River Nene. After disappearing for decades, otters have returned thanks to cleaner waterways and conservation work. Fact number 3. The city has one of the UK's biggest urban heronries. A large colony of grey herons nests around Thorpe Meadows and the Rowing Lake area. Fact number 4. Barn owls thrive in the surrounding fens. The flat landscape and open fields create perfect hunting grounds, making sightings surprisingly common. Fact number 5. Orton Longueville has ancient trees over 400 years old. Some of the veteran oaks in the area date back to the 1600s, surviving storms, development, and even the Civil War era. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow, and share this video. See you next time.